In this video we combine animations using the NLA editor. First, import your animations. Select the armature of the imported animation. Go to the dope sheet editor. Click on the box and give it a name. Do the same with your other animations. Now go to nonlinear animation editor. Press the down arrow for each animation. Now you can delete the armature and model for those in the main window. Select the track and from the add menu click add tracks above selected. Select the newly added track and from the add menu click add action strip. Choose the action you want to add. This will add the action strip. Select the newly added track and move the start of it so it is near the end of the existing clip. Select the first clip and expand the side menu. Change blending to combine and make sure auto blend is selected. Do the same for the other clip. This will blend the end of the first clip with the beginning of the second clip. Both clips need to overlap a bit for this to work, as in my video. You will notice the clip's length is longer than the animation length. Check how many frames you need in the NLA editor and change it to fit appropriately. Hide the armature and play. This will show you your combined animation. You can mess with the overlap to suit your needs. Enable back face culling to show the face. Change blend mode to alpha hashed to make the model look solid. Change shadow mode to alpha hashed as well. Go to the shader editor and change blend mode to closest. You can add as many animations as you like using this method. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click subscribe to support my channel.